Today we're going to show you how to replace a vent assembly in a Whirlpool dishwasher. This is what it kind of looks like. Where it's located is behind this vent right here. So first thing we'll do is we'll take a flathead screwdriver and we want to kind of move this a little bit. And it could get a little stuck, so you get that moving a little bit. You rotate it to the side. It should pop off like that. All right, so now you got some torque 15s along the outside, and this will take off the panel. And there's a whole lot of them. The longer ones are going to be across the top. All right, so I didn't realize I wasn't recording. So this is the new one right here. I took the old one off and it kind of just sits back in place here. This is where your control panel goes back on top. So I took it off with a flathead screwdriver. It's got a couple connections. Actually, before you do that, you want to go back and reconnect this right here. Sure it's connected nice and well. Your control panel. Gonna connect right here, and then pull it out a little bit. be nice if this thing actually like clicked in, but I think this kind of keeps it. All right, once you get that back in, you take the panel, and there's some slits here on the. Okay, so you get the door back in, you start putting in these side screws. Remember the big ones go along the top of the panel. So what I'm going to do is put all the small ones in first, and then I'll know exactly which ones the big ones go in. And you just want to make sure at the end they're all tight. They don't have to be super tight. It does have the seal on the and the last thing you want to do is you want to put the vent back. So you want to get it back into place where it kind of fits. Alright, and then you want to twist it back to where it was. And you might need the screwdriver to help you do that a little bit, get you some leverage on it. And when it's straight up and down, it's good. And there you have it. The old part is replaced with a new part in, and it should work. Thank you for joining us in another episode of Man Tips.